Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop ceilings, the meat grinders, and this unit is about like 3 and 4 horsepower. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire depths, they are about like 20 inches. And the overall heights, they are almost about like 16.5 inches tall. And the width of the units, they are about like 9 inches. As we can see the units from the manufacturer, they give you a couple accessories. There's a stick bar for you to push all the meats into this hole. And they also have a switching head. They come with 2 different sizes for the hole. And also when you're trying to replace it, you can just remove these caps. And they do just do it this way and do the swap. And when we're looking the side of the units, we can see they do have a power switcher right here. And the units have a stickers on it. And this one using the standard 110 plugs. And on back of the units, they have emergency stops buttons right here. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.